Hello, it's Mr. Lego Guy today reviewing this new Lego Ideas minifigure vending machine set. That's out back in summer 2025, I guess. So I got this as a Christmas Day present. So I could get each of these random minifigures inside this buildable vending machine. And it does look like the it does look like the old-fashioned vending machine. Came from the 1990s and the 1980s and even the 2000s. So let's take a look at this buildable vending machine. As you can see, it is red. As you can see, it had full of Lego capsules balls inside. So this top can be removed that you could place each of these Lego capsules in. So it had the money slot that you could insert coins in it. And this slot where the coins rolls out. So it came with two of these buildable yellow coins with the printing of the number 10s on it. So you put the coin into the slot, then you turn the dial and the capsule will roll out. And that's how you can get each of these minifigures in here. You can always get another one if you insert another coin in. So each of these Lego ball capsules that are yellow and blue so Lego made the inflatable version of the auntie from Harry Potter in this new full Prefect Drive set, that they used the ball capsule to use as the inflatable body. And I hope Lego's gonna release Pokeball sets from Pokemon if they use each of these Lego ball capsules as Pokeballs to store mini buildable Pokemon insides. So these 60 minifigures that came out of these capsules in this set, is this fan designer who made this Lego Ideas minifigure vending machine set. You see, he has brown hair, he wears his red top, and he wears grey trousers, and he holds a micro version of the Lego minifigure vending machine, and he holds a coin. So he has two face printings on his head. So here's this Lego Ideas team member. So you see, she has dark brown hair, she wears her glasses, and she wears her black top with the Lego Idea brick printing. And there's another one, there's large, that has the Lego Ideas logo. And he wears light brown trousers, and she holds a micro buildable of the yellow house with the red roof, and she also holds a blue pair of roller skate to use as a car. So she has two face printings on her head. Here's this female knight. You see she holds a sword and a shield. And she wears her suit of armour without any armour sleeve. And she wears gold gloves. So she has 2 face printings on her head. Next is this male knight. Was wearing the same torso. And he holds a sword and a shield too. But he has no other face printing on his head. So here's this female kraken. You see she wears her hanky over her face. And she's holding a sword and shield with an octopus printing on it. And she wears her kraken's outfit. On with black gloves. Here's this male kraken. Was wearing the same torsos, just like the female one. And he's holding a lasso and the same shield. And his face that totally looks like a pirate. While he's wearing the same hanky over his face. So here's this male pirate. Was wearing his red hanky on his head. He wears his brown vest and red trousers, and he holds a sword. But he has no other face printing on his head. And here's this female pirate. And she has yellow hair style. That totally looks like Autumn's from Lego Friends. And she wears her gold shoulder pads. And he wears his tan jacket with the printing of the ribbon on it. And she wears her white trousers. And she holds a black gun and a pirate's map. So she has 2 face printings on her head. So she looks like she's winking. So here's this male minifigure. Was wearing his white vest with the printing of Paradisa on it. And the back that has the number 92 on it. And he wears his light blue swimming trunks, and he wears his blue cap, and he holds a strawberry flavoured ice cream and a wine glass. So here's this female minifigure, was wearing her same white vest with the printing of the Paradisa logo and the number 92 on it. And she wears her same light blue swimming trunks, and she has black ponytail hairstyle, and she holds her green camera and a parrot. So she has two face printings on her head, so she looks like she was wearing a pair of sunglasses. Well, I have one Lego vintage Paradisa set, so I wish I could get another one so I could do a review. So next is this minifigure who is dressed up as a bear. Here's this minifigure. Who wears the bear hoodie on it, and he wears his jumper with the printing of the word, with the printing of the logo Fabuland, and he wears blue gloves, red trousers, and he holds a spanner. So next is this female minifigure who wears the elephant hoodie, and she wears her same Fabuland jumper with blue gloves, and he wears grey trousers, and she holds a yellow mug. But she has no other face printings on her head, along with this male minifigure. So it came with two of these gold classic spaceman minifigures. One was holding a weapon, and the other was holding a walkie-talkie. So I decide to call the gold one Penny. And there are two of these turquoise classic spaceman minifigures. One was holding a spanner, and the other was holding a mug and a donut. So I decide to call him Zenny. So the set that came with the brick stapler and the instruction booklet. So here's Rod, the fan designer who made this Lego vending machine. That you can get all 60 minifigures out of this Lego model vending machine. And that's how you built the set. So I guess this minifigure vending machine looks so cool. It would be a great idea if you could use some other Lego minifigures from these other Lego sets, or minifigures from the minifigure series. Such as the Legoland Employer was from the Legoland from one of the Legoland exclusive sets from the Lego shops at Legoland parks around the world. The Lego custom minifigure of Ash from Minifigs.me. And even the minifigure of Bluey from one of the Lego 4+ Bluey sets. So they would be great to go in the vending machine. Well, Lego have just designed a Lego vending machine set that somebody on Lego Ideas had designed it once they submitted the idea set into a Lego product. Thanks for watching on my feud. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!